Welcome to this 10-minute restart flow to revive the basics. You've started again, you've showed up, and now what? We don't rush forward, we go back and revive the basics. We rebuild what matters. Your posture, your breathing, your control, your movement quality. So let's begin. Bring your palms together. Align your posture with your breath. Feeling grounded. As you inhale, raise your arms up. Feel the length while your feet are steady and stable. Interlink your fingers while you point the index fingers to the sky. And on an exhale, you will gently flow onto the right side, giving that opening to your chest, letting your body wake up. And take a breath here. On an inhale, when you return where you started, you use the next exhale to flow onto the left side. Stretch, open, while you feel grounded. And gently back to the center. Open up your palms and flow forward, allowing your head and neck to release and relax. Pull your palms and place them beneath the knees. Let your spine expand. Let your neck align. And start preparing to exhale and place your palms on the mat, bend your knees and walk yourself into Dandasana. Create a gentle, controlled flow, not a rush to land, but a soft arrival on the mat. Readjust your palms next to your chest and inhale into Bhujangasana, where you open your chest to let the breath in. You curl your toes to arrive in Adho Mukha Svanasana and allow your knees to bend while your chest and thighs come closer, preparing you for a more sharper Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let the heels be easy, whatever best that they could go closer to the ground. Start to lift your right foot up and swing it while you exhale and squeeze into your chest as you flow forward. You once again inhale and lift it to get that momentum. Swing it forward. Let your back foot start to rest on the mat and prepare yourself to rise up for Warrior One. So adjust, let your thigh be parallel, palms in the chest. Get yourself a breath before you flow into Warrior One. And we keep reminding ourselves today, we are rebuilding the basics. So just allow the little adjustments, that little refinement as we flow forward. And from here, as you exhale, flow ahead. To test your balance, flow your upper body parallel to the ground and lift yourself back in Warrior One. Straighten your knee. Bring your palms into the chest as you start opening up the back foot to prepare yourself for Warrior Two. Open your arms to feel the expanded chest. Allow. Let your palms now face the ground. Feel the stability with the feet perpendicular to each other and flow into Warrior Two. Let your eyes be glued on the right palm. Inhale and exhale. Slowly allow your palms to open up as you straighten your knee and you head back like a reverse warrior. And we're going to use this momentum to flow into Trikonasana. So exhale, flow forward, let your right palm rest on the right ankle, while your left arm races to face the sky. Feel that line of energy from the right palm to the left palm, the expansion of your chest. Look up once, and then slowly we start to once again prepare ourselves to flow into Warrior 2. A moment, a breath, as we start to put the palms back onto the mat in a runner's lunge, and let your left knee glide down. As you prepare to lift your arms, open up and inhale. While exhaling, bring your palms into the chest. Take one inhale and start to twist with your left elbow resting on your right knee, and look onto your right elbow. Twist and squeeze as you flow here. You gently start to bring yourself back where you were to once again flow. Curl and prepare to let your right arm, left arm stabilize and allow you to get back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now from here, let your left foot inhale up into the sky. Exhale as you flow forward, squeezing your knee into your chest. You lift up once again on an inhale, using the momentum to put your foot forward. And from this place, start to put your back foot on the ground. That lets you arrive and prepare for the Warrior 1. Allow yourself that little bit of coming back without rushing yourself, letting yourself adjust, refine. In the Warrior 1, arrive and be. As you slowly start to straighten your knee, bringing your palms and preparing yourself for the Warrior 2 on the left side. So check the distance, check the interception. Let the back foot be slightly inward, that gives you the grip. Open up your arms and then slowly bend your left knee and flow into Warrior 2. Arrive, settle down, stabilize, breathe. And slowly as you open up your palm, you start to straighten your left knee and go into that reverse. That actually prepares you to flow into Trikonasana. So use that momentum, left palm on the left ankle, right arm to the ceiling, open to the sky now. Look at your right palm and allow that expansion. From there, just prepare yourself to flow back into Warrior 2. Land as you revive. And start to put your palms onto the ground in a runner's lunge. Right knee on the mat, flatten your feet, and bring yourself with your arms facing the sky, opening up as you breathe. Connect your palms and bring them into the chest as you exhale. Take one nice inhale and twist on an exhale as you put your right elbow on the left knee. Look at your left elbow. Inhale and exhale. Look forward. Prepare to raise your arms. Start connecting them. Stabilize. As you swing your left foot, bring it back into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Gently land and return to the mat. Let us prepare to flow into Ustrasana, where we raise the arms. We allow the chest to open. We use the already warmed up body. We allow ourselves to open up. Inhale and exhale. we slowly bring ourselves back. Prepare to return. Fold your feet and connect them into Baddha Konasana. Allow yourself, as you feel that opening, as you return to that place, which lets you remember all the basics that you created and now you're recreating. And welcome back to your restarted practice.